Substitution allows us to use a small memorable string, the programming term for some text, and have macOS automatically replace it with a longer, more complex string. To set up text substitution, open System Preferences and navigate to the keyboard pane and select the Text tab. Type the string that you would like to use into the Replace column and then put the substitution text in the With column. We're going to use it to create a shortcut that will populate a save dialog with our file naming convention. First, let's define what that file naming convention is. We have our client name, project, file name, and version. Click the plus button to add an entry. For our example, we're going to use the string ftemp and replace it with the string for our current client like so. Aquamatic, super whitener, file name, version. Now, when we save the file, instead of typing out the entirety of our file name convention every time, instead we type ftemp, select the substitution, then double-click the file name and change it to packaging front, and version to 1. If we have several clients that we're working on at once, then we can create an entry for each, like so. We're going to change the string for the first entry to aquatemp. Next, we're going to add an entry for top dogs and H. Stein decorating. And if we're working on multiple projects for the same client, then we can separate it out further. Let's change this to aqua white, and then add an entry for the aquamatic project, Staininator. We will use the string aquastain. So now we have an easy way to maintain our file naming convention over multiple clients and projects without needing to type it out every single time.